Hi, my name is Rick Denser. Welcome to Genogram Training Session number 4. In this session, we will continue to practice our skills of adding siblings and adding children, and we will also learn a bit more about display properties. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and continue on with the same family we've been building in the earlier sessions. So here we have Frank. We have his family, right? We have his siblings and we have his aunts and uncles and grandparents. We are now going to add siblings for Frank. I'm going to click on this same relationship line between Robert and Sally, S and D to add siblings. I'm going to move them over to Frank's left side. And we're going to say his sister's name is Patty Smith and that she was born in 1982. We're going to add a brother, name him Michael. We're going to say he's born in 1979. So now we've added children to Robert and Sally, which are siblings to Frank. Now I'm going to pause here and let you know a little bit about display properties. We like to learn the date of birth for every relative identified in the Connect to Family program. We also like to use Genogram as a tool throughout our service. One way that helps when it comes to searching, you can left click on every person to look up their date of birth, but why do extra clicks if we don't need to? So I'm actually going to show you how to go up here to display. All right, there's lots of tabs and lots of choices within display. We're just going to go one down to where it says date of birth and date of death, and we're going to click. Voila. Now we see the full date of birth for every person. When we go in and we're running 12 searches in a matter of minutes, we don't need to double click on every person. They're just automatically displayed. So now we're going to continue practicing adding siblings and children. For mom's side, we're going to move Darla McCoy over. We're going to left click on this and we're going to add a D on our keyboard. And this will be Michelle's sister. We're going to name her Jennifer. We're going to add a date of birth for her. And there we go. Now the last person we're going to add in this session, we're going to add a child for Frank and for Michelle. We're going to right click on their horizontal relationship line and add a new son. We're going to drag him over to the middle. We're going to name him William Smith. I'm just going to say he was born on 10/10 of 2010. Zoom out a little bit here. Now a family is starting to take shape here. If we were serving William, we have fidelity measures, and one of those is identifying the fourth generation in all areas for each child we serve. If William was the child we were serving, well, we count him as generation number 1. We have generation number 2, both parents identified in Frank and Michelle. On his paternal side, we have grandparents, which is the 3rd generation, Robert and Sally, and we also have the 4th already identified in James, Violet, Clarence, and Maura. We do not have them all identified on the maternal section yet. This will end session number 4. Thank you so much for watching.